I hope you all are doing well. So I am Dwani ma'am and today we are going to study EVS. EVS chapter 4, My Body Needs Care. So students, our body needs care, right? हमारी body की देखभाल जरूरी है. Okay, so students, in the previous two chapters, that is in chapter 2, we studied about the different body organs. हमने डिफरेंट बॉडी ऑर्गन्स के बारे में पढ़ा, राइट? हमारे डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ा. स्टमक, हेड, शोल्डर, फुट, चेस्ट, लेग्स, हैंड, राइट? We studied about many different body parts. In the third chapter then, we studied that how our body parts help us, right? हमारी बॉडी हमें कैसे हेल्प करती है. Our eyes help us see, our nose helps us smell, our tongue helps us taste, our skin helps us feel something, our ears help us listen something, right? Our hands help us ride, hold, our legs help us hop, jump, stand, walk, right? So many different things. And when our body helps us in so many different ways, even we need to take care of our body, right? We need to take good care of our body. Whenever you buy a new toy, what do? You keep it in a box. You do not let anyone touch it, right? You do not let anyone touch the toy. Same way, we need to take care of our body also, like, okay? We need to take care of our body also, or else what will happen? Our body will stop functioning and then we will fall ill, okay? हमें बुखार आ जाएगा या हमारी बॉडी फंक्शन करना बंद कर देगी, okay? तो हमें हमारी बॉडी का ख्याल रखना चाहिए. So students, my body needs care. So my body is हमारे शरीर, care is देखभाल करना, okay? So हमारी शरीर की, हमारे बॉडी की देखभाल करना जरूरी है. So students, how do you take care of your body? In the morning when you get up, what do? The first thing, you brush your teeth, right? You brush your teeth only then you eat or drink something, right? So what is this? You need to brush your teeth so that the germs do not enter our body, okay? After that we take a bath, right? We become clean and tidy, okay? We do not look dirty, we become fresh, right? After taking a bath we become fresh. So we need to take care of our body to clean the body, and also we need to maintain the health, right? हमारे body की health maintain करना भी जरूरी है. We eat food 3 times, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner, right? So we eat healthy food so that our body gets proper nutrients, right? So now we learn that how to take care of our body. Friends, now let us learn that how do we need to take care of our body, okay? So I must take care of our body, right? मुझे मेरे body का ध्यान रखना है. You all must take care of your bodies, right? How will you take care of your body? To keep my body clean, I must take a dash every day. What should you take every day? I must take a bath every day. To keep our body clean, what do we need to do? We must take a bath every day. हमें रोज नहाना चाहिए जिससे हमारी body fresh feel करेगी और we will be clean and tidy, right? So we must take a bath every day. I must dash my teeth every day. What should you do to your teeth every day? You must brush your teeth every day. Yes. So I must brush my teeth every day. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Okay, so you must every day get up in the morning and brush your teeth. Not only once, you must brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. Why? In the morning you should brush your teeth, and while going to bed also you need to brush your teeth, because in the whole day you have ate so many things, right? You cannot take that teeth and go to bed, so you need to clean the germs, right? So you need to brush your teeth twice a day. One when you wake up in the morning, and the second one when you go to bed. Okay, so I must brush my teeth every day and twice a day. The third says I must dash clean clothes. What should you do to clean clothes? I must wear clean clothes, right? W-E-A-R, wear. So you must always wear clean clothes. Okay, you must wake up, if you wake up in the morning, take a bath and you should wear clean and tidy clothes which are washed properly. Okay, you cannot wear dirty clothes. You should always wear clean and tidy clothes which are washed properly. Okay. I must dash my hair every day. So what should you do to your hair every day? I must comb my hair every day. C-O-M-B, comb. Comb यानी कंघी करने चाहिए बाल. Whenever we go out or whenever we come out after a bath, we need to comb our hair, right? We need to comb our hair every day to look neat and tidy. If you do not comb your hair, what will happen? You will look very dirty, right? So you need to comb your hair every day to look neat and tidy. Okay? What should you do to keep your body clean? To keep your body clean, you must take a bath every day. Every day morning, wake up and take a bath. Okay? So you can be clean, neat and tidy. Whenever you come to school, you need to take a bath before coming to school so that you can be neat and tidy and also fresh. Okay? I must brush my teeth every day. The second thing you need to do is you need to brush your teeth every day. If you do not brush for one day, what happens? You take in all the germs, right? Your mouth will smell. So you need to brush your teeth every day and twice a day. Okay, one before going to bed and one after waking up from the bed. Okay. I must wear clean clothes. You must always wear clean clothes. Now if you go out and if you wear dirty clothes and go, no friend will come to you, right? Because the clothes are dirty, right? The clothes are dirty. They stink, okay? So no one will come near to you. So you must wear neat and clean clothes every day, okay? I must comb my hair every day. You must always comb your hair every day to look neat and tidy. Okay? You must comb your hair. हमें रोज हमारे बाल कंघी करने चाहिए ताकि हम neat and tidy लगे. Okay? Students, so to keep our body clean, I must take a bath every day. I must brush my teeth every day. I must wear clean clothes and I must comb my hair every day. Okay? So students, now moving on, now to keep your body healthy, we are going to see how to keep our body healthy. To take care of our body, we also need our body to be healthy, right? Our body should be healthy to take care of itself. So, to keep my body healthy, I must dash well and dash water. So, what shall I do to keep my body healthy? I must eat well, okay? I must eat well and drink water, okay? I must drink enough water. So students, to keep our body healthy, we also need to eat well, okay? We need to eat healthy food which consists of vegetables, dal, roti, okay? Rice. To keep our body healthy, okay? No junk food, okay? To keep our body healthy, we must eat good amount of food. We must take a breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner in the night. So we must consume all three foods and good healthy food, okay? And we should also drink enough water, okay? We need to drink enough water in a day. If we do not drink enough water, what will happen? Our body will start becoming weak, okay? So we need to drink enough water. I must dash every day. So students, to keep yourself healthy, you must play every day. P-L-A-Y, play. So you must play every day. Only studying and only sitting at home and no playing can also make us dull, okay? Can also make our body unhealthy. So we need to go to play in the ground or in the park or somewhere outside every day, okay? Playing does not mean playing on the phone. Playing is going outside and doing some physical exercise while playing. Like if you play catch, right? So your hands get exercised. If you play pakda pakdi, you run, right? Your legs, your hands, everything gets a good physical exercise. So you need to go out in the park or in the garden and you need to play there for few hours every day, okay? By playing, what happens? You get a good physical exercise. At the same time, you meet some new people. You get some fresh air, right? So you should play every day. I must dash well. Now, last thing is I must sleep well. Okay, you need a good 8-hour sleep every day. Okay, you should go to bed early and you should wake up early in the morning before the sun rises. Okay, that is the best sleep you can get. So you must sleep for 8 hours every day so that your body gets enough rest which it needs. Okay? In the whole day you keep on running, studying, playing, right? You do so many activities. So your body also needs some rest. So at night you must go to bed early and wake up early in the morning by completing your 8-hour sleep every day. So to keep your body healthy, you also need good amount of sleep, okay? So students, to keep your body healthy, what do you need to do? You must eat well and drink water, okay? So you must eat a good amount of food, have breakfast, lunch and dinner, and also healthy food, okay? And you must drink enough water every day, okay? You must play every day. You have to go and play every day in the park or in the garden and get some physical exercise. You must also sleep well, okay? You need a good 8 hours of sleep to wake up fresh and healthy. So students, now we will see what do we use for what. Like I use a towel to dry myself. Now why do we use a towel? We use a towel to dry ourselves when we come out after a bath, right? You need to dry yourself. So we need a towel to dry ourselves. I use a comb to comb my hair. Why do we use a comb? We use a comb to comb our hair, okay? To remove all the tangles. I use a soap to clean my body. Why do we use a soap? We use a soap to clean our body from all the dirt. I use a toothbrush to clean my teeth. Now why do we use a toothbrush? We use a toothbrush to clean our teeth, okay? To remove all the germs from our teeth, okay? When my hands are dirty, I wash them with soap. Now you play and come, your hands get dirty. So what do? You wash your hands with soap, right? And then you have food or you do other work, right? So when my hands are dirty, I wash them with soap. When my nails are too long, I use a nail cutter to cut them, okay? When your nails have become too long, what do? You use a nail cutter to cut all your nails, right? When I have cold, I use a handkerchief. And whenever you are having colds, जब भी अपने को सर्दी होती है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम handkerchief use करते हैं, right? We use a handkerchief when we have cold. So students, these are the basic things which we use, okay, to keep our body clean. So students, we have completed chapter 4, My Body Needs Care. If you have any doubts in this video, you can ask me in the live session. Okay, bye.